Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mung bean or green gram cutlet. Very healthy snack recipe. You can easily make your kids go with some green gram. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Soak 1 cup of green gram in water for 5 hours. Then drain off the water, clean wash it and add it to a mixer jar. To this add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 4 green chillies. Grind this coarsely. Transfer the ground green gram to a mixing bowl. To this add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 onion chopped, 2 green chillies chopped, few curry leaves chopped and few coriander leaves chopped. Mix all the ingredients well. Now it's all nicely mixed. Grease your hands with oil and pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Give it a slight press and make patty shape. Shape the edges like this and keep it ready. I have an egg in a small bowl. To this add a pinch of salt and beat it well. Now keep ready the beaten egg and breadcrumbs side by side. Dip the patty in egg first and then coat it with the breadcrumbs. I've already made a video on how to make breadcrumbs at home. I'll be giving the video link in the description box so you can check on it. Likewise, make all the green gram patty and keep it ready. Now heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the cutlet one at a time. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. Now both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. Now a delicious and healthy mung bean or green gram cutlet is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and a healthy recipe. So do try this mung bean or green gram cutlet recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.